with another one.
All right, guys, so here in front of you is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to locate the horn and remove it and install a new horn. I have a video that shows you how to remove the bumper cover and how to install it. So just go to my YouTube and look up the bumper removal for a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. All right, guys. So basically, bumper's already off. So to get this horn off, if you look back here in the back side, you have a 10mm nut. All you're gonna do is take your 10mm and remove it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and remove this horn. This horn actually sits on the passenger side, right up under the passenger side front headlight assembly. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the connector from it. It's a little tight, so basically what you do is you squeeze this part down and pull down. Okay, let's do that first. Just like that. See how I just push down on it right here? All right, so the next thing you're going to do is remove the 10mm nut that's in the back side. Just gonna put that right here. Just like that. We're going to take it loose and then I'm going to pull it off. All right, so it's removed. The bracket can stay on. You don't have to take the bracket loose, but this is the actual horn here and this is the nut that came off of it. If you need the, let's see, part number, should be right here. So hopefully I'm focusing it good enough for you to be able to see it. So this one right here is the low horn. It should have a high horn too, but I didn't see it, and the only sound that I heard came out of this one. I doubt the other one's damaged. So basically, to put this back on, all you do is put it back through the hole like that. Make sure that this is pointing straight down like that, and put the nut back on. Just like this, and reconnect your connector. Make sure it snaps, pull down on it, and that's it. So just to let you see from the front of the car, that's where it's at, right there. So technically, you don't have to remove the bumper. You can just remove this weather plate down here, skid plate, whatever you want to call it. You can remove this and you can reach it from the bottom. But the bumper was already off the vehicle and I wanted to show you guys exactly where it was located and how to remove it. Normally you would have two horns over there. You have a high and a low. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the low and I'm going to press the horn again, and we're going to see if this vehicle has a high. So I'm going to disconnect it. Give me a second. All right, so it's disconnected, and what we're going to do is beep the horn to see if it has a high actually. All right, so we're inside the car. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the only one. All right. So if yours is bad, you replace that one, you should be good. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and that is the location and how to remove and install the horn for a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. All right, guys, I'm out.